Hello and welcome students to the new episode of Shoaib's Art Lessons. And in today's class, I will be teaching you about Kaje D Cinema, and we will be discussing about the pros and cons and the theories which this Kaje D Cinema have brought into the cinema. Okay, Kaje do Cinema. It pronounced as Kaje D Cinema, and the spelling is Kaje. You need to pronounce it Kaje, 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 D-D-Y-D Cinema, 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 right? So this is how it has been pronounced, Kaje D Cinema, and it is a film magazine. You can say it was the first film magazine which has been published on a regular basis with a very popular content, and it has been written on the technicalities of the film industry. This magazine has played an important role in development of the films, and a couple of filmmakers have been strongly influenced. Very famous film critics, they used to write the content and the technicalities for the film in this magazine. So Karshidi Cinema, this has been celebrated by certain directors who they considered as ex-Jane Runner, Jane Vigo, Alfred Hitchcock, Orson Welles. So these are the famous filmmakers of 1960s and 70s who used to follow this film magazine, which is called Kaje Du Cinema. So Kaje Du Cinema had two main guidelines for the filmmakers. The first one is mise-en-scène, which you can also pronounce as mise-en-scène, and the other one is the Arthur theory. Mise-en-scène is a Greek term which means everything and anything in front of the screen. Whatever you are witnessing comes under the banner of mise-en-scène. The second one is the auteur theory. The auteur theory is basically dealing with the concept of that there will be a one focal person in the film who has all the powers और जिसके आइडियोलॉजी पे फिल्म्स जो हैं वो बना करती हैं. So mise-en-scène, let's study about the guidelines in a bit detailed order. So mise-en-scène literally means putting on stage. Originally it was theater term, but it was adapted to film during the French New Wave cinema. And putting on the stage, putting everything in front of the camera means whatever you've been witnessing in front of the camera comes under the banner of mise-en-scène. The character, the colors, the background of the set, character, what sort of costume character is wearing, what sort of makeup he or she has been applied, the hairdo, the styling, the costume, the color palette of the character's costume, as well as the background, the props, the all the list of props, where you have the layout of the set design, accessories, props, every single instant and every single detail which is in front of the camera have been explained in mise-en-scène. Simple, it is the degree of control that the creator has over the object, location, actor, scene, the facial expressions, the body language, how character should walk, what sort of body language should he portray, the distance, the object between the distance, the gap, all the aspects of art direction have been detailed, discussed in mise-en-scène. Let's discuss about the author theory. Author theory suggests that what would be later called the author theory was the idea that every film should have one focal person who controls everything in a film, and also that he would leave his style on his movies. Author is a French term for the authors. The author is usually considered the director. Now every film has one focal person जिसके आइडियोलॉजी पे पूरी फिल्म जो है बनती है. तो ऑटो टेरी सजेस्ट कि पूरी फिल्म का कमांड there has to be one focal person who has been given all the authority and all the powers should be vested on that one focal person. और फिल्म के अंदर जब भी हम उस फोकल पर्सन को एड्रेस करेंगे तो उसी फोकल पर्सन का स्टाइल जो है वो फिल्म के अंदर हमें अडेप्ट होता हुआ नजर आना चाहिए है. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड ऑटो थ्योरी, यानी पूरी फिल्म का कमांड जो है वो एक फिल्म मेकर के ऊपर होगा, और एक फिल्म मेकर जो है वो उन पूरी जो सिनेमा की फिल्म की जो आइडियोलॉजी है वो उस एक फिल्म मेकर के अप्रोच के ऊपर चलेगी. एंड इट्स अ फ्रेंच वर्ड author, which means the author. And usually, film director has been described as the person called the author, जिसके पास पूरी film की command होगी. He is the commander in chief of the whole film, and his vision will be reflecting in the film. So this is called the author theory. I hope you have understood Kaji do cinema and its two concept, which is mise-en-scène and author theory. Mise-en-scène represent everything in front of the camera, the costume, the characters, the body language, the postures, the visuals, the color palette. And the second one is the author theory, which state that the film should have one focal person, जिसका style of filmmaking पूरी film पे reflect करे. So student, I hope you have understood this lecture, and inshallah, stay tuned for more lectures on this YouTube channel. Stay blessed.